Des Moines has issued a
Tornado warning.
for
Tornado warning.
southwestern Madison County in south central Iowa, eastern Cass County in southwestern Iowa, western Union County in south central Iowa, northeastern Adams County in southwestern Iowa, southern Adair County in southwestern Iowa until 8 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Greenfield, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
PDS, that's great.
Hazards included a damaging tornado and quarter-size hail.
That's just great. Confirmed tornado on the ground.
The following
That
are
is
expected.
beautiful.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near or at around 7:40 p.m. Creston, Green Valley Lake, and Green Valley Lake State Park around 7:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Blacksburg. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Adams, Madison, and Union.
Well, that's just great PDS tornado warning.